In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, we, the explorers of the unknown, have always been driven by an insatiable curiosity to understand our place in the universe. While the mysteries of the vast expanse above us have captivated humanity for millennia, it's only in recent times that we've begun to unravel the secrets held within. Amongst the most intriguing chapters of this cosmic narrative are exoplanets, worlds beyond our own that hold the potential to rewrite our understanding of planetary systems and the very essence of life itself. Today, let's embark on a captivating journey as we delve into the latest discoveries, cutting-edge technologies, and the groundbreaking missions that are taking us closer than ever before to unlocking the secrets of these distant realms. Picture this: a colossal star over 100 light-years away begins its slow and graceful dance towards the end of its life. As it collapses, this celestial giant doesn't go gently, but rather explodes in a spectacular supernova, sending shockwaves and a heavy dose of iron throughout the cosmos. This dramatic event marks the birth of an unusual exoplanet, one that scientists have named WASP-39b. But this isn't just any ordinary exoplanet. WASP-39b is a scorching hot gas giant with a peculiar characteristic. It's almost entirely composed of iron. The discovery of WASP-39b has sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. With an astonishing 18,000 known exoplanets out there, each with its unique story, WASP-39b stands out as a true oddball. Scientists believe that this bizarre composition is the result of a dramatic past, the aftermath of a violent collision between two bodies in the distant past. This fateful crash is believed to have stripped away WASP-39b's original atmosphere, leaving behind only a dense core of iron and other heavy elements. Understanding the makeup of WASP-39b not only helps us comprehend the dramatic processes that occur at the end of a star's life, but also provides insights into the conditions that prevailed in the early stages of our solar system as formation. By studying WASP-39b, scientists hope to gain a deeper understanding of the building blocks of planetary systems and the forces that shape them. This journey of discovery serves as a reminder of the boundless wonders that await us as we continue to explore the vast expanse of our universe. In the quest to unravel the mysteries of WASP-39b, researchers are turning to some pretty stellar tools. Enter the Hubble Space Telescope, a venerable workhorse that has been peering into the depths of space for over 3 decades. With its keen eye, Hubble will analyze the spectrum of light passing through WASP-39b's dense atmosphere. By examining the subtle shifts in light, scientists hope to identify the chemical fingerprints of various elements, shedding light on the planet's unusual composition. Next up is the James Webb Space Telescope, the newest and most powerful space observatory ever built. With its advanced infrared capabilities, the James Webb Space Telescope will be able to see even further into the depths of WASP-39b's atmosphere. By peering through the lens of this telescope, researchers hope to spot telltale signs of WASP-39b's atmospheric woes, such as water vapor or methane, providing further evidence of the planet's dramatic history. But the James Webb Space Telescope has another trick up its sleeve. It can also detect the transit of WASP-39b as it passes in front of its host star. By carefully observing the dimming of the starlight, scientists will be able to study the planet's mass and radius, helping them paint a more complete picture of this enigmatic world. In addition to these stellar tools, scientists are also employing sophisticated computer models to simulate the evolution of WASP-39b. By tweaking various parameters and running simulations, researchers can try to recreate the conditions that led to the planet's unusual composition and behavior. These models not only help in understanding WASP-39b's present state, but also provide valuable insights into its past, shedding light on the dramatic events that have shaped this enigmatic world. As scientists continue to analyze the data gathered by Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope, they are eagerly awaiting new discoveries that will bring them closer to unlocking the secrets of WASP-39b. With each piece of information they uncover, they not only deepen their understanding of this extraordinary planet, but also gain valuable knowledge about the formation and evolution of planetary systems across the universe. WASP-39b may be one of the most intriguing exoplanets out there, but it's far from being the only one that has captured humanity's fascination. Our journey through the realm of exoplanets takes us to another captivating world, WASP-12b, which lies nearly 1,000 light-years away in the constellation of Auriga. Unlike the scorching hot WASP-39b, WASP-12b is a bit of a chilly one. With temperatures plummeting to a bone-chilling 1100 degrees Celsius, this gas giant is located so close to its host star that gravity actually pulls it into a sideways orbit. That's right, instead of the usual top-down rotation, WASP-12b takes a spin around its axis like a ball on a string. And get this, it is locked in a death grip with its host star in a tight embrace that brings them a mind-bogglingly close to each other. To put this proximity into perspective, if WASP-12b were orbiting our Sun, it would find itself just 4.5 million kilometers away, comfortably nestled within the orbit of Mercury. Now that's what we call close quarters. The intense gravitational pull between WASP-12b and its host star creates a tug-of-war of epic proportions. This celestial showdown results in massive tides of swirling gases on the planet's surface, reaching heights of up to 300 meters. Just imagine living on WASP-12b and witnessing these massive waves crashing over your home. You definitely need some serious sea legs. Now here's where things get really wacky. Scientists believe that WASP-12b could be covered in a thick layer of clouds and rain. But don't expect a refreshing shower, because these raindrops are no bigger than cannonballs. That's right. On WASP-12b, it rains apocalyptically sized drops that weigh over 100 times more than normal hailstones. These massive balls of water plummet towards the ground at speeds of up to 175 kilometers per hour, making a WASP-12b storm a truly terrifying sight to behold. Exploring WASP-12b not only allows us to marvel at the extreme conditions that exist in our universe, but also helps us better understand the dynamics of planetary systems and the forces that shape them. As we continue to unlock the secrets of WASP-12b, we take another step closer to understanding the vast array of phenomena that occur beyond our own solar system. Scientists are utilizing the same stellar tools to unravel the mysteries of WASP-12b. With its powerful capabilities, they can observe the changes in the star's brightness as WASP-12b passes in front of it, helping them determine the planet's size and mass. By piecing together this information, researchers can build a more complete picture of WASP-12b and its bizarre characteristics. Furthermore, scientists are creating detailed models of WASP-12b's atmosphere to better understand the extreme conditions that exist on this distant world. By simulating the planet's environment, researchers can study the behavior of its atmosphere under intense heat and pressure, shedding light on the formation of those massive raindrops and the dynamic weather patterns that prevail on WASP-12b. As technology continues to advance, scientists are also developing new and innovative ways to observe WASP-12b. For example, by measuring the wobble in its host star's movement, researchers can gain further insights into the mass and orbit of the planet. Additionally, future telescopes and observatories may be able to directly image WASP-12b, allowing us to see this unusual world in greater detail than ever before. Our journey through the realm of exoplanets has taken us to some truly remarkable destinations. From the iron-rich WASP-39b to the stormy and rain-lashed WASP-12b, each planet has its own unique story to tell, expanding our understanding of the incredible diversity that exists beyond our solar system. As we continue to explore these distant worlds, we're not only pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge, but also igniting our imagination and inspiring awe at the wonders of the cosmos. What started as a dream has now become a reality. Thanks to advancements in technology and a shared spirit of exploration, we're now just a few years away from launching the first of these groundbreaking missions to unravel the mysteries held within these distant worlds. These robotic explorers will venture into uncharted territories, braving the harsh conditions of deep space in an intrepid quest to unlock the secrets of exoplanets. Equipped with cutting-edge instruments, they'll conduct a myriad of experiments analyzing the composition, atmosphere, and conditions on these alien worlds. One of the key missions in this interstellar expedition is the search for life beyond our planet. By studying the conditions on exoplanets, scientists hope to find worlds that could potentially support life as we know it, or perhaps even forms of life that defy our current understanding. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, no matter how simple or complex, would undoubtedly be one of the most profound scientific breakthroughs in human history. But the implications of exploring exoplanets extend far beyond the search for life. By studying these distant worlds, we gain a deeper understanding of our own planet and its place in the grand scheme of the universe. We learn about the formation and evolution of planetary systems, the conditions that make Earth suitable for life, and the delicate balance that makes our planet a haven of biodiversity. As we send these brave robotic explorers on their interstellar missions, we do so knowing that they carry with them the hopes, dreams, and aspirations of humanity. They represent our insatiable curiosity, our thirst for knowledge, and our unwavering belief in the power of exploration. In a time when it's easy to feel disconnected and divided, these missions serve as a reminder of what we can accomplish when we come together and set our sights on the stars. They inspire us to push the boundaries of human endeavor, to reach for the unknown, and to never lose sight of our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. With every mission that ventures into the depths of space, we move one step closer to answering the age-old questions that have captivated humanity for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? What is the nature of the cosmos? And what is our place within it? As the explorers venture forth, we can be sure that they'll bring back not only scientific data and discoveries, but also a renewed sense of wonder and appreciation for the incredible journey that is life itself. Join us on this exhilarating adventure as we witness the launch of these trailblazing missions and follow their progress as they venture into the depths of space to unlock the secrets held within. Get ready to be inspired by the bravery of these robotic explorers and the brilliant minds that sent them on their way. Because when it comes to unraveling the mysteries of the universe, there is no limit to what we can achieve when we dare to dream big and reach for the stars.